Guys, it's me, obviously, and today I'm just gonna be spending basically all of my birthday money because everybody else did, so my mom was like, go ahead. So I'm buying all of my birthday stuff, and I have this entire list. Obviously I'm not gonna get everything, but I'm just like gonna like look it up. Kind of excited, like I'm really excited, honestly. So the first thing I want to get is LED lights. Don't come for me, I don't care, but I don't know how big my room is. Like, do I need it on my entire room? I don't think so. Because, like, look how much more... We're just going to go with these. I had already known which one I was going to get. I tried so hard not to go look up my stuff because my mom was like, don't look it up. I'm looking at phone cases, even though I don't really need one. But, like, let's just look at it anyways. I don't know if I want to get a black one or... none of these are appealing. This is kind of cute. But I wouldn't, no. Okay, that just got uglier and uglier as I looked at it. Yeah, nothing is looking cute here. Let's move on. I need a pen. Photo printer. I really want one, like for my phone. Printer. Oh, wow. Yoink. Ugh. Why are they, for phone. Why are they so expensive? Bed set. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Even though I just got one for Christmas, I want another one. Checker. Ew, what the? Okay. Comforter. I don't think they get what I mean. Okay, not on here, apparently. Let's look up tapestries. I want more. I want my room to be like that stoner kind of room, even though I'm not a stoner. Like, you know, the aesthetic. Oh, I'm in beauty and I'm about dumb as heck. Oh, that one's pretty. We're gonna open it. Is this one cheaper than that one? Ooh, this one's cheaper and it's the same one. Alright, let's do it again. Checkered comforter. There you go. Oh, wow, that's expensive. I mean, it's probably gonna be more expensive anywhere, to be honest. We're gonna leave Amazon now. Goodbye. We're gonna look up Nike Pro shorts. Okay, where are the shorts? Let's see, take. Oh, we'll just leave it there. I don't need any of this. Oh, it's a sign. We're just gonna open it. We're not gonna talk about it. Okay, like. Okay, anyways, these are nice. Nice. Just do it. Those are nice, but I'm not gonna get them again. That's all they have, extra small. I don't fit in extra small. Okay, let's drop. Oh, Nike pullover. That is very much adequate. $40 for that. Let's go to Target. Ooh, let's look up checkered bedding. Okay, let's just look it up overall. Tumblr. Cause I don't. Okay, maybe it's on Urban. Bedding. Okay, no, chapstick. Okay. Ooh. Ship it. Continue shopping. I feel like I could rock this, but like at the same time, I feel like I would look like an idiot. Ooh. Why is nothing appealing? Oh, those are nice too. appearances. Oh wow, what is that? Oh, snow. Does it ever happen to anybody, like, you don't know what you want, but you want something? You know what I mean? Like, look, let me show you. Chill room aesthetic. See, this is what I want. You know what I mean? Like, it just looks so good. Ooh, let's go to Hot Topic. Animal Crossing. Okay, I don't want clothes Animal Crossing. I want, no, what the? Alright, there's no good. There's nothing good. Ooh, I want a tie-dye hoodie. Like this. That's so expensive. Ooh. What the heck is Klarna? We're gonna add it to the bag anyways. Gymshark. Why is it Nikki on here? Excuse me. Okay. I want leggings. Ooh. Leggings. I don't own a pair. I do need to throw the ones I have away because those. Oh wow. I didn't even look at the price. Oh. Crap. Let's just look up shorts in general. I need shorts. I don't have any. Shorts. Like this. Yes. Yep. That is very much adequate. Oh. It's not working.
What's not working?
It just stopped. It keeps loading the same page over and over. No, I'm on Target. So this is my cart for Target. Phone case, shorts, boxer shorts because they just look like shorts, and chapstick. This is pretty good. Oh, I closed Amazon. And then we're gonna go to Amazon. Okay, this I definitely want. This I definitely want. This maybe can wait till later. I don't really need it. It's not that expensive though. We're gonna move to my cart. Okay, so, and then this is my cart over here. Just that. And then did I get anything in here? Where's my cart? Oh, I did. What, I think I'm balling or something? Oh, pfft. Okay. I don't need these, so we're gonna remove that. This I definitely want. This I don't need, so we're just gonna get that. So right now we are at 48.35. This I'm not gonna get it. That can wait. I don't need another hoodie right this second. 56. Oh, my heart is already crying. And 33. 138.71. That's not that bad. Second, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things. We'll think that through. Now let's go to, okay, so I was watching Sydney Lavin, like I was looking at what other people were getting and stuff like that, and she shopped at Good Fair, but she said it was also trash, so we're just gonna look at it. I probably won't like anything. It's basically an online thrift store, and it comes in all these bundles, so I mean, that's not that bad. Oh, I don't, See, this stuff is very appealing. Oh my god, everything's sold out. Oh my god, I would have totally got this. Drug rug. Oh, that's nice. It's my cart. I don't know why I want it, but I want it. Did I add it to my cart? Oh. Okay, I also want to get a necklace, but it's already on the thing on my other my computer. I'm trying to think what I want for my room, because I don't know what I want for my room. Puma, what do I need for my room?
Jesus.
Okay. I have this sports bra, a phone case. It looks so cool. I don't know. It looks basic. No, it is basic, but why does it look that smooth? And then these shorts that like go to here, you know, my Nike ones, and then like these boxers, and then chapstick. From Amazon, I have my cologne because I need a new one. A tapestry. I'm gonna put it on my ceiling, and then LED lights, regardless. And then I don't know what it is, but I really want this.
Why don't you get like more clothes or something?
Men's graphic tees. Okay, why? Why are these all ugly? Ooh. Oh, it's a t-shirt. It's not a pullover. Ooh, let's just look up The Office in general. Downsizing board game.
Oh my god.
Construction set. Oh my god, they're Legos.
I want it.
Dundee. There's a freaking Dundee. Employee of the... I think I'm gonna get this.
The Legos.
Shroot Farms. I do want workout pants. I can't find any good ones that aren't like $50 freaking dollars. And all of these look the same.
They are.
I don't like the seams of it. Let's look how she walks in them. I want them. Alright, three more things in my cart, and now it is to $92. Suddenly a phone case ain't sounding too appealing. $76.
That was $22.
What was $22?
The phone case?
No?
Yes.
It was $15.
How did...
I don't know.
From 92 to 70.
76. I have no idea. I think I'm gonna delete this. I don't really need... Well, alright. Alright, I think I'm done. I don't even know if I want this now. Yeah, I think I'm done. Was that kind of boring? Probably. It's really hot in this dining room. So I'm at 206, which I have 250. So yeah, that's everything. I haven't really looked up because the camera's up here. And I'm down here. So if that was looking creepy the whole time, I'm sorry. That's everything I'm gonna get with my birthday money and junk like that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, wash your hands, and wear your masks. I don't care.